Welcome class of 2024. My name is Mr. Daine and I'm a science teacher.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Brock. I teach science here as well, and welcome to the Irish family.
So we're going to be talking about what we do other than regular schoolwork. So to start off with, we have our summer success classes. These are going to be coming up in the summer very soon. In these we do math and English to get you caught up to where we want you to be when you come in as Irish.
One of the other things we offer in the summer is called transition class, and those will be on Sundays. Starting in August, you'll get information about them. They pretty much teach you how to be Irish, how to be high school students, how to be successful, so that when you enter the school, you're ready to go.
And once you're in the school, school doesn't just end at 3 o'clock. We actually have after-school library learning where you can come and do any homework you need to do. We have full Wi-Fi access, and you can just be able to learn and do homework in a space where other teachers are, like myself and Ms. Brock, and some other teachers as well.
In addition to right after school, we also have time after your practices. We know you're busy and involved at Central Catholic, so we have times other than right at 3 o'clock when you can come into our homework help facility and get help from teachers, have your questions answered, so that when you go home, you know that you're on track for the next day and ready to be successful when you come back.
We look forward to seeing you in the fall and throughout the school year. And remember, go Irish!
Go Irish!